For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a gentleman's club can be a profitable but highly regulated business that combines hospitality, entertainment, and nightlife. Success depends on precise planning, navigating legal restrictions, understanding market demands, and creating a unique experience for your clientele. Fortunately, with the help of free AI tools, you can streamline many of the critical startup steps, from writing your business plan to marketing and operations. Here's a step-by-step guide showing how to launch your own gentleman's club with strategic use of free AI technologies. Step 1. Research legal requirements and licensing. The first step in launching a gentleman's club is understanding the licensing and zoning laws in your city or state. These businesses often fall under adult entertainment regulations, which can vary significantly. Use a free AI legal research tool like ChatGPT to gather initial insights. While AI does not replace legal counsel, it can help you draft questions for a lawyer or identify what licenses might be required. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. What are the typical legal requirements and licenses needed to start a gentleman's club in insert city/state? Step 2. Write a business plan using AI. A business plan is essential to secure financing and outline your strategy. You can use ChatGPT to create a full business plan tailored to your location and goals. It should include sections like executive summary, market analysis, competitive research, services offered, operations plan, and financial projections. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Write a detailed business plan for a high-end gentleman's club in insert city, targeting upscale professionals and tourists, including startup costs, staffing, and marketing strategy. Step 3. Analyze the market and competition. You need to know your target audience and competitors. Use free AI tools like Google Bard or ChatGPT to perform local competitor analysis. Supplement this with free SEO tools such as Ubersuggest to find out what people are searching related to nightlife, clubs, and adult entertainment in your area. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. List and analyze the top 5 gentlemen's clubs in insert city, including their strengths, weaknesses, and target audience. Step 4. Create a unique brand identity. Your club needs a distinctive brand to stand out. Use Loca or Namecheap's free logo maker to generate logos. For slogans, themes, and brand storytelling, ask ChatGPT to help you craft appealing messaging that matches your intended atmosphere. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Create a luxurious and edgy brand identity, slogan, and color scheme for a gentleman's club targeting high-income professionals. Step 5. Secure a location and design the club. After identifying your market, find a location zone for adult entertainment. Use Craigslist, LoopNet, or Crexi for commercial real estate listings. Once you've narrowed down options, use RoomGPT.io or Interior AI to visualize how the interior can look with different themes. For layout planning and flow, ChatGPT can help outline design priorities based on your brand. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Describe the optimal layout and design style for a luxurious gentleman's club that includes a bar, VIP rooms, stage, and private lounge. Step 6. Create a hiring and training plan. Hiring performers, bartenders, security, and service staff requires a careful strategy. Use ChatGPT to draft job descriptions, interview questions, and onboarding procedures. You can also request AI-generated staff training outlines focused on hospitality and compliance. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Create a staff hiring plan for a gentleman's club, including job descriptions for dancers, bartenders, security, and VIP hosts. Step 7. Build a marketing strategy with AI tools. Marketing is essential for attracting and retaining clients. Use Canva, free version, to create promotional materials, flyers, and social media banners. ChatGPT can generate full marketing campaigns, social media calendars, influencer outreach templates, and promotional offers. You can also use Buffer free plan to schedule posts. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Create a 3-month marketing strategy for launching a new gentleman's club, including social media, local ads, events, and influencer collaborations. Step 8. Design a website and online presence. A strong digital presence increases visibility. Use Wix, WordPress, or Card free versions to create a website. Ask ChatGPT to write your homepage, about page, FAQs, and promotions page. You can also request SEO keyword integration for better ranking. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Write professional website content for a gentleman's club, including homepage copy, VIP membership info, and code of conduct. Step 9. Set up financial tracking and payment systems. Managing cash flow and payments efficiently is vital. Use free versions of Wave Accounting or Zoho Books to manage your finances. Ask ChatGPT to help you create pricing models for drinks, entrance fees, and VIP services. You can also draft cost structures and break-even analysis. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Create a financial model for a gentleman's club that includes revenue streams, fixed and variable costs, and break-even projections. Step 10. Plan for compliance and safety. You must comply with health, safety, and labor laws. Use ChatGPT to create compliance checklists and club rules. It can also help you design guest policies, staff codes of conduct, and emergency procedures. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. List the safety protocols, legal disclaimers, and operational rules a gentleman's club must follow to stay compliant and reduce liability. Step 11. Launch and manage day-to-day operations. Once ready, launch your business with an opening event to generate buzz. Use AI tools like Trello or Notion, free versions, to organize daily tasks, staff schedules, and event planning. ChatGPT can also be used as a daily operations assistant to help draft emails, schedules, or special event plans. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Create a weekly operation schedule for a gentleman's club, including staffing shifts, inventory restocks, and promotional events. Conclusion. Starting a gentleman's club requires a careful blend of creativity, compliance, and strategic marketing. By leveraging free AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Loca, Trello, RoomGPT, and more, you can handle complex planning and branding tasks that would otherwise cost thousands of dollars. While the adult entertainment industry has unique challenges, the strategic use of AI can help you approach each phase of your business with clarity and innovation. With preparation and the right tools, your club can become a standout success in the nightlife scene. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.